welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I am going to be doing another video on nails on a budget. I haven't done a video like this in a very long time, but I kind of broke my no spend month that I was doing. I was doing a no spend October, and I kind of broke that because I kind of got over my nails, and I just wanted to have my nails done. And so I wanted to do the Gel X method, but one thing that I did not want to do, or that I don't like doing with the Gel X method, is buffing out the artificial nail. That is one thing that I do not like to do. So I ended up getting these nails from Amazon. These are from the brand Aillsa. Soft gel, no file. These are the short Coffin nails. You do get 450 pieces. And so I ordered these. I believe these were less than $10 on Amazon. And so I decided to get these because, again, you don't have to file the outside of the nail. These are already filed, and so I just want my nail process to be easier on me. And with this one, you don't use a top coat. You can just go straight in with the gel polish. At least that's what they claim. So that is what I am going to be trying out today. And I have kind of already prepped one hand. As you can see, I filed the top of my hand, and this one is not ready yet, but I kind of wanted to save some time, and that's why I went ahead and did that. The nails that I was previously using were these from Uña. I say Uña because Uña is nail in Spanish, but it's Gella Nails. I absolutely love these. These are also coffin shape, and I absolutely love these nails because honestly I think these are a little bit thicker than the other ones. I feel like they are a little bit thinner. And this one, as you can I don't know if you can see, but this has the shine on the nail. So you do have to buff this out when you're doing your nails, and that can be time consuming. So what I'm trying to do is not spend too much time on doing my nails. So that's why I broke my no spend and decided to get this. And then I also decided to get this nail polish. This is by the brand Gella. I believe that's how you say it. This is in the color 1008, and it is a reddish, I would like to say like brick color. I thought this color was so pretty, especially for fall. So I decided to get this gel polish as well. I believe for everything, including tax, I paid like $14 for both of these items, for the nails and the nail polish. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I kind of yesterday tried on some nail and see like what sizes I am going to be, and I like that these have sizes on some of the nails, because I do notice that some of these fit a little bit better than the other ones. So super excited. I went ahead and buffed the top of my nails, and I like to make sure that I buff them really well because I do want these to stay on a little bit longer than a week. Sometimes I do have a hard time getting the nails to stay on. With the other ones, with the Gella Nails, these can last a little bit close to 2 weeks. So I am hoping that these will last the same. So I went ahead and buffed the nail. I also went in with my Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover to remove the cuticles around the edge of my nails. I just did that. You know, I didn't record that, and I went ahead and did it on this nail as well. So I want to go ahead and file. I got coffee on my nail file, so that is probably what you are seeing. So you guys, I'm still a little bit sick. I mentioned in my cash stuffing videos that I was sick, and I'm still a little bit sick, and so when I talk it makes me cough. So, and I'm sorry if you hear my fire alarm again. My husband replaced the batteries and I don't know why it's going off again. I'm guessing it already used up all the batteries. So keep on buffing, and then I'm gonna go in with my alcohol and clean them off, and then we'll get started with my process on how I'm going to be sizing these and applying them. So I'm gonna go in with my nails. I kind of have an idea kind of which one fits best. I tried this smaller one yesterday and it is a little bit too small, so I'm glad to have the half sizes. Like this is 10.5. I like how it has this one because this one fits a little bit better. It covers both of my what do you call it, nail walls. So I'm gonna be using these for my pinky nails. So I'm going to be setting these aside. These are going to be my pinky nails. I'm going to use size 9 for my ring finger nails. I like these because I do have a little bit of curve to my nail, and these are curved. So if you have more of a flat nail bed, I'm not sure if I would recommend these, but these are definitely have like the little curve of the nail. So I'm not sure if you would like these if you have like a flat like nail bed. I need to start looking at the sizes because I'm just like picking up nails and not looking for where I'm getting them. This is definitely going in my, yep, these are going in my, these are the ones that fit perfect for this nail. I always have trouble finding one for this nail because it's a little bit weird shape. And yesterday when I was trying these or seeing what numbers I would be, I was so shocked how this one kind of fits perfect on my nails. And then the thumb, I remember it was, I think it was this one, because these are great if you have small fingernails. This nails would be great for you because they have like, these sizes are kind of like smaller for like you have like small nails. So highly recommend these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just making sure I have the right nails. I'm not gonna go in with my dehydrator because I want to see if these will stick on a little bit better like this, and because I do want these to stay on a little bit. So I am going to be using my own Gella nail glue. I have talked about this nail glue before. It is a thick consistency. It is a squeezy tube. You can actually use the brush on nail glues that they have that you cure under the UV light. This is one that you also have to cure. I'm pretty sure you can use regular nail glue with these if you just want to do like normal press-ons and then add your gel polish. But I do want these to stay a little bit longer, and I find that with the Gel X method it stays on a little bit longer. Okay, so I do have my little lamp. I like to use the smaller lamp when I am doing one nail at a time because you do want to go ahead and cure each nail separately because you don't want the nail glue to move around. And so I am going to be squeezing just a little bit of this nail glue. I do want to have enough on here. I'm going to place this to the side. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my lamp, and I can't see what I'm doing but I do want to place this and squeeze this. I think I applied too much gel glue to this one. This is a rubber glue, so anything that goes on beyond your natural nail, that's going to be like underneath your nail, you can kind of pull that out later on. As the days go by, you'll be able to just kind of like pull on it and it will come off. I also have some of this nail polish remover that I've heard that you can kind of wipe around the nail, so that way the nail kind of stays on your natural nail. At least that's what I've heard. So let's go move on to the next nail. Time under the normal UV lights for just 60 seconds, just to make sure that everything is cured. I think that should be good. So I'm gonna go in. So this is what the nails look like. As you can probably see, I do have some nail glue underneath the nails to put as much glue as I did. Your nail drill and buff that glue out if you need to. I'm going to use the nail file just so that I can go over like by the cuticle and just remove any glue that I have close to the edge of the nail and making them look a little bit more natural. I am back and I am done with my nails. I feel like I did a better job on my right side than my left side. I definitely applied less glue, so I don't have a lot coming out from the ends, as you can see the difference. But anyways, it'll be fine. I will clean this up as the day goes on, where I can just pull the, like, I'll just do this and it will come off. But anyways, one thing that I wanted to say about these nails is this is short Coffin nails. These are definitely on the medium size, so I would be careful with the sizing because these are short Coffin nails, but these are definitely, to me, these are medium. So to me, medium. If you get the medium Coffin, because they do have medium Coffin, I believe it would be much longer than these. So just be careful. They do have some nails that are super short or real short, I believe. So I'm guessing those are like the normal size nails. So just be aware that if you get the short Coffin, they are more of a medium size. So now that I kind of buffed the nail at the top and filed the tip of the nail, I am going to go in with my nail polish. So again, you're not supposed to file the top of these nails, so I'm not going to do that. I just wanted to file the edge so that way it could you know, it would be more natural looking than I don't know. I always do that. I always just file the edge of my cuticle area. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and start filing. I don't want to go over with alcohol because I don't want the polish to... I feel like sometimes you can tell a difference when when you clean up the nail. I will just clean the nail afterwards. This is my first time ever using this nail polish, so I'm not sure how well it works or how many coats I have to do, but oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. This is more like a Christmas color than Halloween. I was expecting it to be a little bit darker than this, so it is applying very nice though. I'm not going to complain about the application because it is applying very, very nice. And this color. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of the nails. Pretty. I like this color. I'm hoping with the second coat it's gonna look a little bit darker, but I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds, and then I'm gonna do a second coat and see if it's darker. Try a second coat just to see how they do. Do 60 seconds. I'm going to be using my Modeled Ones top coat. I got this on Amazon as well. I will have this one linked down below. I think this is also a good top coat. I used to say Modelones, but it's Modeled Ones. Well, at least that's what I think it is now. Well, oh my gosh. I just got top coat on my skin. Don't do that. Okay, so I did one coat of top coat, and I think that's all I'm gonna do because I feel like the nail polish is just, I think it's just gonna be really good. So I'm hoping. So I'm just gonna do one top coat, and then I will just update you guys later on how well this nails lasted and the nail polish. I'm probably gonna get more nail polish from this brand because with one coat it was very pigmented, so I like that. So definitely I think it would be worth investing in some good gel nail polish. I always get like the nail kits, like the Beetles and Model Ones, and just like the normal little nail kits that they sell that have like 24 gel polishes. But I feel like I'm probably gonna start investing in some really just nice quality gel nail polish, and just buy like colors that, you know, I enjoy, like the dark reds. Definitely want like a milky white or like a light pink color. I think that's probably ones that I'm gonna buy next because I want to do like a, I don't know, like a ombre type of nail. I'm just gonna cure it 30 more seconds. I want to make sure everything's cured before I get it out because I don't want any issues with bubbles, or like, because I've had issues like that where I didn't cure it all the way. So just want to make sure everything's cured. I will be adding some of this cuticle oil once I finish these nails. But yeah, I absolutely love them. I do feel like I could have added gel polish more on this side, but oh well, it's okay. This is the nail that's crooked and I have issues with it. So other than that, super cute. I'm gonna finish this nail and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and applied some cuticle oil, and these are what my nails look like. I waited a little bit till the sun came out so that way you could see a little bit better, but this is what the nails look like. So I don't know why the right hand looks a little bit more pigmented. I'm not sure if it's because of the lighting, but yeah, this is what my nails look like. I will give you guys an update later on in a future video to see how they're holding up, or how I like them, or how well the polish is holding up with one layer of top coat. But I'm gonna end the video here because I need to eat some breakfast. But I hope that you enjoyed this nails on a budget video. I will have the links down below to some of these items in case you are interested. And yeah, hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.